Welcome to our comparison of two powerful motherboards, the MSI B550 Gaming Gen 3 and the ASUS ROG Strix B650-A. In this video, we'll dive into the specifications, features, and performance of each motherboard, helping you determine which one is the right choice for your gaming rig. We'll cover key areas such as CPU support, memory capabilities, and connectivity options, so stay tuned. The MSI B550 Gaming Gen 3 motherboard supports AMD Ryzen 5000 and 4000 G-series processors, making it a solid choice for users looking to build a system with older Ryzen CPUs. On the other hand, the ASUS ROG Strix B650-A is designed for the latest AMD Ryzen 7000 series processors, featuring the AM5 sockets. This means that if you're looking to future-proof your build, the ASUS option may be the better choice. When it comes to memory, the MSI B550 Gaming Gen 3 supports DDR4 memory up to 4400 MHz, which is great for users looking for good performance without breaking the bank. In contrast, the ASUS ROG Strix B650-A supports the newer DDR5 memory, which can reach speeds of up to 6400 MHz. This gives the ASUS motherboard a significant edge in terms of future performance and capabilities. In terms of connectivity, the MSI B550 Gaming Gen 3 offers basic options with USB 3.2 Gen 1 and Gen 2 support. However, the ASUS ROG Strix B650-A takes it a step further, with Wi-Fi 6E, 2.5G LAN, and USB 3.2 Gen 2x2 Type-C ports, providing faster and more versatile connectivity options for gamers and content creators alike. In conclusion, both the MSI B550 Gaming Gen 3 and the ASUS ROG Strix B650-A offer unique advantages depending on your needs. The MSI board is a budget-friendly option for those using older Ryzen CPUs, while the ASUS board provides cutting-edge features and support for the latest technology. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.